Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to travel with pets on Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus app, which of course I have done right here. Okay, so now that we're here, I'd like you to know how you can get Flixbus. You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompt for you to download and install. After installing and download, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to travel with pets in Flixbus. The question is, can you actually travel with pets on Flixbus? Let's go ahead and find out. Now, for safety reason, this Flixbus saying that we cannot transport any pets in our coaches. The only exception to this is guide dogs and companion dogs. That means if your dog is not a guide dog or companion dog, then they cannot allow it. Your companion dog travels absolutely free upon presentation of an official and medical certificate stating that their presence is required at all times. Now, after you have completed your booking, you're going to book. That's Flixbus going to book a place for your companion dog. So you have to complete your booking. Now, you just need to contact the customer service at the latest 36 hours before departure. And to do so, go ahead and click on the contact button below and fill out the form. I'm going to show you how you can get the form. So at the latest 36 hours before your departure. So you have to be very careful about that. So this is how you can reach out to the customer service. From the home page of your Flixbus, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have the more. So click on the more option, and in here, go ahead and click on need help. And once you head over to the need help option, so it's going to take you to this window. Scroll the way down to do you need more help? Now select the subject. Let's say in this case, to travel with pets. Let's say your luggage or just something else, or let's say feedback. Then go ahead and specify your subjects. Let's say others, and once it does that, it's going to take you to the form. So this is the form. Add your first name, your last name, your email, your confirmed mail, booking number, and the details. So from this details tab, you're going to have to let them know that you want to add your guide dog or your companion dog. Now you can add an image of your guide dog or your companion dog if you want to, and select the send button. And after selecting the send button, that's going to be it. They're going to get back to you that it has to be 38 hours before your departure. So that's pretty much it. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.